What is up, guys? No, I'm obviously Wilsey, and today we are helping Rory install a front lip on his GT86. We're going to take you through that today. Should be fun. Yeah.
As Wilsey said, we are going to be installing a front lip on the GT86. This is the front lip here. Now, I got this used, so it has a few scuffs in it and stuff already, but I also saved about 70 quid in it, so you can't beat that, can you, Wilsey?
No, a bargain's a bargain.
Get ahead, and I think we're just going to take the front bumper off altogether and see how it lines up.
Scottish people aren't cheap.
No, not at all. We're not cheap. Okay, so to remove the front bumper, I believe these are all, it's this row of bolts along here, and these are all 10mm. I checked this time. And then there's a variation of clips underneath and down the sides of the bumper to get it off. So we'll go ahead and rip this thing up.
When in doubt of what to do, resort to Google. Right guys, that's the bumper off.
Fucking sucked.
There will be a strongly worded email being sent to Toyota.
Fuck you, Toyota. And Subaru.
And Subaru.
And Scion.
It was quite ridiculous, but let's say the bumper is off. The hard bit is hopefully done. Right, so these are the clips that were being such a pain in our asses, but they seem to line up pretty well with the actual bumper. So hopefully, like it says, the hard part is done and this is the easy part.
We still need to reinstall it.
Yeah, but everything goes on totally better when it comes off. Look.
Hi. Can't really see the bunkness of the cable ties, can you?
Nope.
That's good.
Yeah, it does.
Sweet. Now I get to put it back together.
Yeah, now for the rigmarole of doing what we've done at start and review.
5 hours later.
So yeah guys, I think that's where I'm going to leave this video. Thank you so much, Wilsey, for giving me a hand again. I hope he's like, I don't even know where I'm aiming the fucking camera. I hope he's like the front splitter. I think it looks awesome. I'm really happy the 86 is starting to get modified. I'm so happy to have a car to modify again. It just something to take pride in,
yeah,
you know.
Definitely.
Next week we'll be working on the Nissan because T-Side is coming up, and in case you didn't see it in the last video, I crashed the Nissan. So we need to fix that. I've got a wee surprise for that too. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.